Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the capsule is mixed and warm, put on gloves, mask, and eye protection. Load the carrier directly from the capsule chamber using the appropriate tip size so you pick up a dense, compact mass rather than loose particles. Once loaded, keep the instrument vertical to prevent slump and approach the tooth immediately. This preserves cohesion and limits mercury exposure. Make sure to hold the head steady and avoid tapping the carrier during transfer, because that disperses material and contaminates surrounding tissue. You now position the loaded carrier over the cavity and deposit the amalgam in 1 to 3 focused increments depending on volume. Aim for controlled, short deposits. Once done, remove the carrier carefully without dragging material across enamel margins. Make sure to transfer and seat the next increment quickly to maintain plasticity. Then condensate immediately with a properly sized condenser. Apply firm axial pressure and overlap. Each condensation stroke about 20 to 30% to eliminate voids and adapt amalgam to cavity walls. You finish by carving occlusal anatomy while the amalgam remains plastic, using clean instruments and short strokes to recreate cusps and fossae. Once the early set progresses, let the restoration undisturbed to reach initial strength. Make sure to schedule final finishing and polishing after full set per manufacturer time. If you notice porosity or voids, add a small increment and recondense promptly. If contamination from saliva or debris occurred, remove and replace the affected portion to ensure longevity and prevent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.